Okay, so I've just gotten this at the door, and let's unbox it. And I ordered 2 books, one to give for my parents and one for myself, and I ordered a couple more to give to my friends, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't know it's gonna be that big. The cover is actually designed by my designer, okay? So thank you, Siggy, for this. My manager also worked really hard to, get this book published, and I put in a lot of time and effort to write things properly and also edit things. This one seems a little bit not so perfect. You can see the sides over here, but it's still fine. It's still fine. It's just for me to keep. Okay, there's another one here. And also, most importantly, the smell of the book. I'm gonna show you the content page real quick. So once you open it, it looks like this. There are people who scold me, why isn't it signed? Because Amazon is the one who print this and ship it to you. And if you want a signed copy, next time when I do a live talk, you just bring this book and then I'll sign it, okay? Because this book is written for beginners, so as a beginner, you need to learn the basic theory and principles, finance terms and all that. So I dedicate half of the book to be more theoretical, like a textbook, and another half is sort of like practical, okay? Where you gotta look at charts, then you gotta get your hands dirty in a way, okay? So this is the first portion, first section, okay? So you have the theory section, and then what is the forex market, tools you need, basic terms, trading sessions, the basic stuff. And then chapter 2, the forex market participants. And then number 3, what really drives the forex market, okay? Then chapter 4 is your types of analysis, okay? Analysis and execution. You can pause and read if you want to. All right, pause and read. And the second page, there's quite a number of stuff. Chapter 5, you have the basics of currency pairs, all right? How to pick currency pairs, the different types of pairs. And then number 6, all the fundamentals of each of the currency pairs are here. And then I'm going to teach you like the different types of brokers, how to pick a broker, how to pick a broker, action plan, then how to open a live account, because these are what beginners need to know. And then chapter 8, you have introduction to fundamentals, okay? Then introduction to central banks, types of central banks, central bank intervention, monetary policy, interest rate differentials. So this part is more the fundamental analysis. Then when it comes to section 2 is the application, all right, application. Then you have all these important economic indicators, okay, all right. Then chapter 10, you have risk management. Then you have risk management application in chapter 11, okay, where you're going to apply whatever that you've learned in chapter 10 in a way. And then chapter 12 is your favorite, which is technical analysis, okay. So basically, I go through the basic stuff first, technical analysis mistakes most traders make, secrets of profitable technical analysis traders, and then I'm going to go through the indicators, technical indicators, all right, and then I'm going to compare the oscillators, then support resistance, all right, then candlestick trading, the different patterns here as well. Again, you can pause and read, okay, you can pause and read. And then the next page are the rest of the candlesticks, Okay, then followed by trading psychology, sentiment, currency sentiment. Oops. Then followed by how to sustain your trading business, you know, the trading plan, trading journal, all that, and some very important principles. Okay, again, you can pause and read this page. Alright, and then what's the next thing? The final chapters are basically to wrap up, you know, journey to becoming a full-time trader, secrets to successful trading, and your trading journal template, business plan template. So I put some templates inside and also some useful websites for you to refer to. And it's actually, now that I realize that it's actually not black and white. Not black and white. As an author, I don't even know this type of stuff. Why does it look so different from this? Because this one Photoshop, this one reality. The first chapter are actually my photos, you know, my talks and all that, my story on how I got into trading and how I got into teaching. And you can see along the way you have charts, okay, you have charts and then graphs. And then the font size is actually quite big. In fact, it's actually too big for me. I reckon that some people might need a large font size. Okay, so these are the charts. It's colored as well. If you want this book, you can get it. If you don't want, it's fine. I just want to let you know why I wrote this book. In case some people be like, oh my god, selling a book just to scam people. Continue talking. Very likely these people never done any research on me. My previous two books, the first book, Turning Ideas into Profit, was for profit, but because I gave too many away, okay, to people, to my friends, I lose money writing that book, and it's fine. And the second book that I co-authored with some of my friends and also Adam Koo, we gave all the proceeds to charity, okay? And yet there are people who are like, oh my god, write books just to earn money. Just to earn money. Yeah, earn money for charity. For Singapore Children Cancer Foundation. What are you doing with your life? Okay, back to this book. I just want to say that I wrote this book not so much for my followers, because people have been telling me, Karen, please write your own book, write your own book, write your own book for these few years. And I'm like, lazy to write lah. Then I procrastinated until pandemic hits. I have more free time to write books. Then I'm like, you know what, let's just do it. And also my manager was like, it's time to write a book. The main reason I wrote this book, aside from the fact that I want to fulfill my followers' requests because they keep telling me to write a book, aside from writing this book for them, the most important reason I wrote this book is for myself. For myself. That's why I bought this book for myself. I need to pay for it, okay? It's not free. Because it is a dream of mine to just write a whole entire book by myself and to hold it physically, not just some ebook that's on my website, okay? I have a few ebooks on my website, it's free. I want a physical book that I can hold, that I can touch. If you have watched my past vlogs, you know that I went to many different bookshops and I'm like buying all these books, right? And along the way, I told you, oh man, I wish I could write a book soon. Then it's always like, soon, when is soon? You know, I keep on procrastinating. And also I want to tell you 3 things, okay? Number 1, if you feel that you don't want to spend money on a book, it's fine. You don't want to buy my physical book, ebook, it's fine, because at this point, I don't need to write books for profit. Like if I earn a profit from this, I'm still going to spend that money to buy more books for myself to read. It's still a cycle of books. Because I don't really like to buy branded stuff, but what I enjoy buying are things like books, and also this is a little bit weird, okay? Like I already have highlighters, and then I go out there and buy one more set of highlighters. And it is kinda getting out of control recently, you can see. These are not sponsored, okay? I bought all these myself, and somehow I go and buy stickers, okay? This is my favorite cartoon, which I'm obsessed with recently. I also bought the plushie, which you saw in the breakdown video. It's fine, it's fine. And I'll just buy stationery and books because this is what I like, okay? If not, I'll just invest back into my business and all that, okay? If you don't want to buy this book, it's fine. You can still watch my YouTube videos you can still learn the same thing. I know I'm gonna get bashed by my manager saying this, but whatever that's inside in this book, you can find in my YouTube channel for free. So then the question is, why should you buy this book? If you are somebody who is like me, you cannot learn by watching videos, you can learn better by reading, then you buy this book. Okay? I'm saying the truth. I'm gonna get bashed by my manager. Why did you say this? Otherwise, nobody's gonna buy it. And also, I'm gonna say one more thing, which is literally career suicide. I've talked to the Singapore Library and I told them to have it on their shelves. So now, it is available in Singapore libraries too. Okay? You see, I have a library card. I can borrow that book for free from the library, but then, I know it sounds a little bit stupid, I would just purposely go on Amazon to buy the book myself, so that I don't have to go to the library, back and forth, borrow, return. Like, I don't know why do I have a library card to begin with. Maybe just to go inside to use the computer. I wrote this book for people like me. Got free info on the YouTube channel, don't want. Got free info in the library, don't want. Purposely go and buy it for fun, just because you want something physical that is yours. And one more thing, if you have bought this book, you can qualify for the lucky draw, which my team is organizing. Like, you're just gonna post a picture of this book onto your social media and then hashtag #carefuleducate. Okay? There are some people who hashtag at the wrong place. Okay? Make sure you post it in your profile and then hashtag it. Because there are some people who comment under my post and then hashtag it. It's not going to appear in the hashtag. And if you win, you're going to get a trading journal, which I have crafted. A physical trading journal, okay, is going to be given to you. Okay, if you win. I cannot guarantee that because it's a lucky draw. I have no control over it. If you want a hardcover, let me know. Or you want me to write an entirely different book, also let me know. If anything, I hope that this book inspires you to work hard, because it's not going to be easy. That's why this book is also kind of like thick. I hope it inspires you to achieve your dreams and inspires you to be the best trader you can be. Okay, because if I can do it, I believe that you can do it too. This title is not earned easily. This credential, degree in banking and finance, is also not earned easily. Lots of blood, sweat and tears. So with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.